Hey everyone, just wanted to update you on the progress of our little 5x8 trailer restoration that we're going to be starting to build out. And if you recall in the last video, I was getting ready to prep for paint. We had cleaned up the floorboards and now she's all painted and ready for equipment. So let me just show you what we've done. So there she is. Love this blue. That's a Rust-Oleum deck over paint. Really like how it turned out. It's 2 coats, and made sure we taped off everything, make sure nice clean lines. But it should really go a long way in helping to protect the surface of this. It's got a nice thick coating on it. Really absorbs down into the wood and will serve the next owner really well from a standpoint of keeping those deck boards nice and fresh. We did 2, in some areas 3 coats of high gloss Rust-Oleum on the frame. We took the wheels off. We got up underneath of the actual wheel well itself. We did some of the cross beams underneath. Got brand new LED lights and side markers. We put a brand new foot plate on there, and you can't really see it, but we also put new springs. And we went ahead and painted the rims with new high gloss wheel paint. So nice and fully restored. Again, this is a super solid trailer, Car-Mate, really nice thick gauge metal. It's got some weight to it, and we went ahead and eliminated the gate as well. I'm not a huge fan of gates. Some guys like them for advertising. I find they're kind of cumbersome. They also create wind resistance. There's other ways to get signage on these trailers. If you really wanted to, you could always get like a 2x6 or a 2x12 and fasten it, you know, up in here, put that across, paint it to match, and then you could have something low key to do some advertising on if you wanted to. But yeah, this trailer is now ready to go ahead and have equipment put on it. And to show you where we're going to start, we have some things that we need to order. Obviously, we've got the machine itself that we need to order, and the main water tank, we're going to order that brand new. But we got some stuff in here in our soap shack. We've got a 12-inch Titan hose reel. That's going to be our high pressure hose. We already have 200 feet of 1/2-inch soft wash hose already on the reel, ready to go. It's in excellent shape. And then we have a 26-gallon chem tank. The only thing I got to order is the actual lid. I had to sacrifice that for one time. I forgot to put mine on and it blew off, so it got sacrificed, but they're easy enough to find. So yeah, we've got some, and then we got some, you know, some new hoses and some other little odd-end things that we're going to add to it. So when it's all said and done, it's going to be a nice little, oh yeah, we've got a Midwest washing equipment proportioner that's going to go on there. It's already on the metal mount. I'm just going to change out the check valves to make sure they're all new. Don't want any surprises with that, but this worked great. I just wound up going with a clear manifold down the road because I wanted to be able to see, but this still works perfectly fine. And then we have a very lightly used 12 volt to 7 gallon a minute, 100 psi 12 volt that we're going to put with that. So like I said, it'll be a complete build. It's going to have soft wash proportioner, 12 volt. It's going to have a 5 GPM belt driven unit, 100-gallon water tank, 26-gallon chem tank, soap tank. I'm looking at possibly, there's a gentleman nearby that's selling a very lightly used 24-inch surface cleaner. I need to look at it first to see what the condition is, but it looks like it's in excellent shape. Just kind of marry that all together and have a really nice package deal for somebody to go start washing. So again, just kind of documenting the process. And again, this is a new channel, new venture for me. I'm excited about what the end result will be for this little beauty. But I'm really loving this blue and black. To me, that might just be a trademark thing that I just do going forward regardless. They do make this in other colors, so if you should want some kind of custom build, or if you have a particular color that you want with your company, I can't say right now what those colors are, but I do want to say I think they have orange, I think they might even have yellow. I'll have to look and see what they have, but they have a variety of different colors. And it was real easy to work with. So I'm excited about this product. I love it. You know, again, just kind of really makes it pop, makes it stand out, and protects at the same time. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for taking a moment to check out the progress. And like I said, as I start to map things out and put things on the trailer itself, we'll document that too. So like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.